me Mevish Afonso and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So today's video is going to be very interesting and very entertaining because in today's video I'm going to show you guys types of sneezes. In your life you must have come across many people and there are different types of sneezes. So in today's video we are just going to go through some of them. So yeah, interested people, keep watching this video till the end, and if you like this video then please do not forget to like, share, comment, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel then do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. So yes, now without wasting much time, let's get started. No, please no. No. अच्छा
नी पानी हो गए नी पानी हो
या अल्लाह, वो नहाने का साबुन खत्म हुआ था तो फिर रिन से नहाना. जय माता भोलेनाथ, जय कृष्ण कृष्ण माता अंबिका. Jesus Christ, have mercy on me. And yes guys, that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. So yes, come on, do your work now, like, share, comment. Bye bye, see you in my next video. Mwah.